all-new Honor Magic V2. Reimagine ultra slim. Redesign everything. Break the boundary between bar and foldable phones. We explore afar into the universe and deep into the earth, bringing the world-first shield steel hinge with 3D printed titanium shaft. Strong and reliable, unfolding into an ultra-flat surface with ease. Honor Magic V2 marks the start of the millimeter era, as comfortable in your hand as your regular bar phone. To exceed the expectation for battery life, we innovate to design for higher energy density, integrating the 5,000 mAh Honor silicone carbon dual battery in the ultra-slim Honor Magic V2, making it worry-free for intensive users. Honor Magic V2 pioneers to integrate risk-free dimming display and circadian night display for both the inner and outer screens, bringing bright, vivid vision and comfort of eye care all at once. Powerful performance enhanced by Magic OS. Smooth handwriting, even on both screens, doubling your work efficiency. Extraordinary photography, excellent communication, and privacy protection, providing an all-round flagship experience like never before. A revolutionary breakthrough, bringing smartphone to a whole new age. From innovation to evolution. Honor. Introducing the all-new Honor Magic5 series. Unleash the power of magic with cutting-edge technology. See beyond the horizon in crystal clear quality. Capture every decisive moment without lifting a finger. Freeze even fleeting emotions in just milliseconds. Take marvelous night shots with lightning-fast exposure. The display reveals more details in bright areas and stays vivid even under harsh sunlight. Keep your conversation only for your ears. Experience phenomenal water and dust resistance with an astonishingly long battery life that just keeps going. The latest flagship chipset brings you exceptional performance with reduced video motion blur for smoother viewing. Unleash the power of magic. Honor Magic 5 series.